Hey there, food lovers. What's up? I am here, and today we're diving into one of my absolute faves, Mexican rice. If you've ever had that delicious side dish at a taco shop, you know what I mean. And guess what? I'm gonna show you how to make it right at home. So, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. First off, let's talk ingredients. Here's what you're gonna need. Alright, let's get this party started. Take a pan and heat oil. Add chopped onions. Add chopped garlic. Mix it and let the onion saute for 2 minutes. Add red and green capsicum and green peas in it. Mix it. Add tomato pulp. Mix it well and let it cook for 2–3 minutes. Add cumin seed powder, taco seasoning mix, red chili powder, chili flakes, oregano, and tomato ketchup. Mix it all together. Now it's time to add soaked rice. Mix it now. Add water in it. Again mix it. Cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Open the lid, see now. Add kidney beans, corn, jalapeno, coriander, leaves, and spring onion. Give it a mix. Add salt and mix it. Cover the lid and cook it till the rice is done. Now open it and at last sprinkle some cheese, and give it a slight mix. Our Mexican rice is ready to serve, and just like that, our timer is up. Let's check on the rice. Oh, look at that! Fluffy, colorful, and oh so delicious! Let me ask you, what's your favorite dish to pair with Mexican rice? Tacos? Burritos? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.